Give oxygen to your body. The best modern technologies are based on natural mechanisms. There is no life without oxygen. Thanks to oxygen, energy is produced in cells and in the body. Without oxygen, a person cannot live more than 5 minutes. Usually citizens experience a lack of oxygen. Bad ecology, cars, stress, alcohol, smoking, lack of sleep. Chronic oxygen deficiency leads to reduced performance, chronic fatigue, depression, irritability, accumulation of fat, weak immune system, diseases of the heart and blood vessels, hypertension, poor skin condition. We have a solution. Residents of cities in Japan, the United States, Europe, South Korea, Australia periodically visit the salons with oxygen chambers. How it works. Inside the oxygen chamber you inhale highly purified oxygen in a larger quantity than in the room. Because of the increased pressure inside the chamber, oxygen dissolves in the blood plasma and is delivered to all cells of your body. In normal breathing, oxygen in the lungs is connected to hemoglobin, a protein of red blood cells, and spreads into cells. Disadvantages. With a lack of hemoglobin, anemia, oxygen delivery decreases. In diseases, wrong lifestyle, some of the red blood cells lose elasticity and are glued together. As a result, they do not enter the capillaries and oxygen delivery decreases. With vascular diseases, atherosclerosis, stress, oxygen delivery decreases. Because of the increased pressure and increased oxygen concentration in the chamber, oxygen not only combines with hemoglobin, but dissolves in the blood plasma. Benefits. The amount of hemoglobin does not affect the delivery of oxygen. The state of erythrocytes does not affect the delivery of oxygen. The state of blood vessels does not affect the delivery of oxygen. Compare. With normal breathing, oxygen delivery is 900 grams per day. In an oxygen chamber, oxygen delivery is increased by 27 times. Procedure. The duration of the procedure is from 30 to 60 minutes. You lie in a sealed chamber and enjoy oxygen. You can sleep, read, work on the computer. After a session in an oxygen chamber. Significant increase in energy production in cells. Restoration of immunity, running regeneration and recovery processes. The production of growth hormone, IGF-1. Growth of new blood vessels. How to use. First way, for emergency care, use once. Second way, for prevention, use 1 to 2 times a week. Third way, for treatment, course of 10 to 15 sessions. Emergency care, once. Recovery after air travel, recovery after alcohol, recovery after training, competitions. Recovery after a sleepless night, preparation for competition or night work. Course of 10 to 15 sessions. Weight correction, lymphatic drainage, increased immunity, improvement of the condition in diseases. Prevention 1 to 2 times every week. Maintaining high performance, good immunity, physical support, prevention of hypoxia, healthy skin, excellent mood. Protect from hypoxia. Yourself, your family, your children, your parents. Use in cosmetology. Body shaping and weight due to burning of fat and reduce the swelling. Lymphatic drainage, increase collagen and elastin synthesis. Improved microcirculation of the skin, increasing elasticity of the skin. Improve the condition of nails and hair. Increase the effectiveness of all cosmetic procedures. Use in medicine. Acceleration of recovery after surgery. Treatment of diseases of the spine and joints. Treatment of obesity, treatment of heart diseases, hypertension, ischemic heart disease, atherosclerosis. Treatment of vascular disorders of the brain, a condition after a stroke. Alzheimer's disease. Treatment of diabetes. Treatment of varicose veins. Treatment of chronic fatigue syndrome, depression, irritability, insomnia. Use for health. Increase of efficiency, attention, memory. Reducing fatigue. Reduce complications after alcohol use. Increased immunity. Correction of shape and weight. Normalization of sleep. Reduction of irritability. Detoxification. Rejuvenation. Use in sports and fitness. Increase of working capacity. Acceleration of recovery. Treatment of overtraining syndrome. Improve sleep. Trauma treatment. Improving adaptation. Rapid relief of muscle pain when overloaded. Make your life comfortable with Oxygen.